Hi, buddy. So here's the deal. We got a beautiful model home, about 3,600 square feet.
Okay.
And I'm going to show you exactly what I was talking about when I said told, shows you what you could do, you know, what's possible. So you've got the wine fridge you have to have, right?
Yeah.
And it's encased, so it matches all the cabinetry. There's your Sub-Z, right?
Sweet.
So you can entertain. You want a little coffee area? Got a little coffee area. Tuck it all away. Large pantry. Top of the line appliances, obviously. A really neat leathered
that is cool.
countertop. So little soapstone there. You've got the Wolf range. Everybody needs the farmer's sink. And then it opens up into the great room. So you've got the formal dining over right by the entryway, and then you've got casual everyday dining here.
Yeah, what's cool is like this whole thing opens out. This is all open, so you can kind of just picture like when the weather's nice, just hanging out. Like everything's open, people coming in and out.
Triple sliders, open the whole thing, have the party out in the hot tub, have it back inside.
And then seems like this is all pre-wired sound in and out.
Yeah, so the whole thing was, and because it was a model, or a former model home, it was set up so that you could hear throughout the whole thing, because that's what they would do, is they'd set the you can hear it right now. So you've got all the electric run, you've got all the sound, you've got TVs, I mean, basically everywhere. So we've got the great room with the fireplace, a nice little surround, built-ins around that also. So very functional. And then Toll did, let me show you actually here, in a formal dining room, the built-in bookcases, and if you check out the coffered ceiling also. I mean, these are all little teeny things that sometimes they didn't even offer, but they showed in the model just to kind of show it off.
Even like the carpet is sweet.
Carpet, and it comes with it.
Yeah.
So you don't even have to worry about buying furniture.
No, that's amazing.
It's everything's included. That you go through. So check out the ceiling in the master. I mean, the attention to detail throughout this whole house is just absolutely amazing. Yeah, and same thing. So you've got the triple sliders. Go out there, you can go out the French doors if you want. In the middle of winter, that walk from the hot tub back here, you know, a little iffy, but that's okay. You can make it.
But I noticed they even have outdoor heat outside.
Right. Yeah, they put in the space heaters. Yeah, cool. It's really nice, and it's all plumbed in.
It seems like they've got this control automation system in every room.
Every room.
So you can control the audio, AC, lighting, everything from here.
Without having to leave. Yeah, it's not like the old days, huh? Have to send somebody out to the hallway and then have Dad yell at you.
Yeah.
No, this is the real deal. So everybody, what's the kitchen look like? What's the great room look like? I want to see the backyard, and then of course one or two want to see what the master bathroom looks like. So you've got a large shower, and then check this tub out. You ready?
I was wondering where water was going to
Well, the trick is you've got to fill it before you get into it, or else it's just going to hurt. Yeah. It's just painful.
That's right.
It's like a Chinese water torture. All right, check out the master closet too. Now, we were talking earlier about the sound system, the brains. It's all right here in the cabinet.
Oh,
so all the electronics, everything comes back here. One place, and you've got some great built-ins. I mean, phenomenal space.
Oh, this is completely customized.
It's not bad, huh? This one you're gonna like. So also you've got a little, say you had kids, the kids want, well, you can use it as an office too, but the kids could do their homework there. All right, so here's the man cave. Wine fridge, 2 more beer taps, nice TV, leather chairs. Maybe play some vinyl.
Yeah, that's sweet. It's cool because a lot of times you want to watch the game, but the family wants to watch Toy Story. You know, that's the thing in my house right now. The kids want to watch the latest Disney flick, and then I want to watch March Madness.
Right.
So they can come back here.
This is all you.
And this is all
you can close the door if they want to. They don't want to hear you yelling.
Yeah. So there is becoming a real necessity for a man cave. It's like, it used to be kind of a joke, but now you almost need one.
Well, and we're seeing a lot of women take over spaces also. And, you know, I mean, this really is a functional space, and we use the phrase man cave and it's kind of silly. But this, the kids could use this.
Yeah.
You could entertain over here. You could do Monday Night Football. You could do March Madness. You know, it's just a very functional, and you've got access to the courtyard. So let's say your wife wanted to throw a baby shower, and you had something else going on. So all the guys are in the house, and the girls wanted this. They can come in
straight
here.
in here.
Don't bother the family. Yeah. Or Monday Night Football, man. I think it's perfect.
Yeah,
I'll come
that's-
over.
That's sweet.
You buy it, I'll come over.
Okay, deal.
I'll bring the beer.